This is my new Octane One spark frame with a 3-piece crankset, Octane One chemical bar, the biggest rise, third jump fork, glue grips. Yeah. The wheels are at the bike shop right now. The wheels are rims are blue, black spokes and blue hubs. I'm going to use a 180 millimeter rotor, hydraulic brakes, and I also have a nice blue chain from Octane One too. I use a 29 teeth sprocket on the front, and I thought I had 10 teeth at the back. So this is my bike. Hope you like it, and I will make more fits of it.